Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to build a mini NAS server with Banana Pi M40. Okay, so in the previous video we have used this Banana Pi M40 to create our own NAS server. Okay, NAS stand for network attached storage. So we can access this storage from our network. We can put the files, we can use the files. Okay, now in that video we have used the space available inside the SD card as our storage. Okay, but we don't want to do that. We want to use some external storage like pen drive or hard drive to store our data. Okay, so our Banana Pi M40 will act as a NAS server, but it will store the data in our pen drive or hard drive instead of space available inside the SD card or eMMC storage. Then how you can do that? So that thing we are going to cover in this video. So our Banana Pi M40 is up and running. Now I can access the Banana Pi M40 using SSH. So SSH root @192.168.1.14 and the password is tour. Okay, so we have successfully logged into our Banana Pi M40. Now we will type lsblk. Okay, here you can see eMMC block 0 is our eMMC storage, okay, which is not mounted anywhere. eMMC block 1 is our SD card, okay, because I have 64 GB of SD card and that is here, okay, in which we have flashed the operating system and we are using it to boot the operating system for our Banana Pi M40. Now I want to use this pen drive, okay, as my storage for NAS server. Then how we can do that? So first let's connect this pen drive. Okay, so we have connected this pen drive. Now we will go back to the terminal again and we will again run the same command lsblk. Okay, so here you can see previously we don't have any SDA kind of block here. Now we have this SDA block, which is our pen drive of 16 GB. We want to use this to store our files, okay, and it should be available across the network. So how to set it up? So here I have created the entire script. So here is the script. Okay, so first of all it will synchronize the time, it will upgrade and update our system, it will install Samba and NTFS package to handle the pen drive in the NTFS format. Okay, then after it will create the NAS directory, okay, and then it will mount the pen drive to this NAS location. Okay, it will update the Samba config file, it will restart the Samba service, it will set up the Samba root user with the tour password by default, and at the end it will provide you the IP address of your NAS server and the port number to access the network attached storage server. Okay, so how to use this script and how to run this script to create your own mini NAS server. So first of all you have to run this command to create this script. Okay, so I can run that command and yeah, I have already created the script here. Okay, so here you can see the entire script is available. Okay, so let me delete it. So rm, okay, now we don't have any script here. So again I'm going to create the script, then we will copy the entire content of the script and we will paste it here. Okay, that's it. We will press Ctrl X and then Y to save it. Okay, again we will check the script. Okay, so our script is ready. Now we can make our script as executable file. So we will copy this command, we will paste it here and then we will hit enter. So our script is now executable. Now I can run this command to set up everything for me and to create the NAS server from our Banana Pi M40. And then it will use this pen drive as the storage, okay, instead of memory card and the eMMC storage. So all you have to do is now just copy this command and run it and it will handle everything. And in the end it will ask you to press enter. Okay, and once you press enter it will pop up with the NAS IP address, port number and everything. Okay, so let's wait until it pop up that message. Okay, here you can see. Press enter to see a dump of your service definition. So this is the message I was talking about. So now you just have to press enter. It will show you the dump of services. Okay, and then after, here you can see Samba NAS server setup is complete. Access your NAS server using the following details. Here is the IP address to access the NAS server, and here is the port number to access the NAS server. Now if we go back, okay, we can't go back, but if we type lsblk, then here you can see for our pen drive, the mounting point is changed to home by NAS. Okay, so this is the path we have used for our NAS server. Okay, now whatever data you will be going to store in the NAS server, that will be available inside your pen drive. So instead of pen drive, if you use any hard drive or any other storage devices, then that become your NAS storage device. Okay, now while setting up these things, okay, here you can see my pen drive is showing as a name SDA. So if you attach any hard drive or any other drive, then you have to update this script. Okay, so right now my pen drive is showing as SDA, so that's why I have used this SDA everywhere in the script. And if in your case it can be SDA1, SDA2 or any other name, then you have to use that name in this script. So you have to modify the script as per your system. Okay, in my system my pen drive is showing as SDA, okay, SDA block, so that's why I have used the SDA here, everywhere. Okay, and if it is something different in your system, then you have to use that name. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and it is now mounted at this location. Now I can access my NAS server using this IP address. So here is my PC. I can paste that IP address and I can hit enter, and here you can see NAS server, and here you have the Excel file and the system volume information. Now if I go to my Banana Pi M40, and if we change the directory to this location, okay, and here you can see book1.xlsx and system volume information. So these two things are available here, okay, which is stored in our pen drive. If I remove the pen drive, okay, and if I plug it in my system, then you will be having this file in the pen drive. Okay, now I can access the same NAS server in my mobile phone as well. Okay, so let me show you that as well. So let me share it on the camera. So here you can see the network storage. Okay, so you have to go to the network storage, and then you have to click on the add network storage, and here you will be having this three option: FTP, SFTP, and the network drive. So you have to select the third option, network drive, which is SMB version 2 or SMB version 3. So I'm going for the third option. It will search for the network drive, okay, in my local network. Okay, and here you can see we have two options, Parrot and Banana Pi M40. Parrot is my laptop, and this Banana Pi M40 is this one. Okay, and it is having IP address of 192.168.1.14, which is available here. So you just have to select this. Then it will ask for the username and password. So I can provide the username root. Okay, and the password we have set for root user is tour. Okay, root tour, and then I can press on add. And here you can see our NAS server folder. Inside that folder, we have system volume information and the book1 Excel file. I can create the folder here, test folder, create. Okay, now the test folder is available here. The same folder I can see in my system, or you can say in my laptop as well. Okay, so this is how you can create your own mini NAS server using Banana Pi M40. Okay, and the data is going to be stored in the pen drive instead of SD card or eMMC storage. Okay, so you can use any other hard drive or pen drive with the large storage with this Banana Pi M40, and you can use it as network attached storage. So I hope this is clear. And if you still have any question or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. And if you need that bash script, then it is available on our website. Okay, so here is the command to list out the available blocks. Okay, just like this. Okay, now this SDA is my pen drive, so that's why I have used this in the entire script. Okay, now if you use any other drive and if you see something else instead of SDA, then you have to use it. And here you can see it is mounted at this location. Okay, so all you have to do is just create the script, change it to executable and execute it. Okay, and once you create the script, you just have to copy this data into your script. It will handle the rest of the thing. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you know where to ask. So we will meet you in the future videos. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.